Hello, I'm Mrs. Farrier. I teach Math 7 and Honors Geometry. I also coach cross country for junior high, so if you're interested, let me know. Here's my classroom. Have a great last few days of summer, and I cannot wait to meet you all.